Ever found yourself staring blankly at your phone, needing to access RingCentral features, but drawing a complete blank on that elusive PIN? You're not alone. It's a surprisingly common hurdle, whether you're a new user setting things up, a veteran needing to reset a forgotten voicemail PIN, or perhaps an administrator trying to help a team member. In a world where we're juggling countless passwords and PINs, it's easy for these little nuggets of information to slip through the cracks. But when it comes to a business communication platform like RingCentral, that PIN is your key to unlocking essential functionalities, from checking voicemails remotely to making outbound calls from your company line. Understanding what that PIN actually is and what it does within the RingCentral ecosystem is the first step. For most users, we're talking about two primary types of PINs. First, there's your voicemail PIN. This is the one you'll use when you call into your RingCentral number from an external phone to access your voicemail messages. It's designed for security, ensuring that only you can listen to your private messages. Then, for administrators and sometimes even individual users depending on their permissions, there's a security PIN or account PIN. This is often used for higher-level account management tasks, like contacting RingCentral support for sensitive inquiries or making significant changes to your service. While they both serve a similar purpose of authentication, their application differs. So, how do you track down these crucial numbers? Let's break it down, starting with the most common scenario, your voicemail PIN. Finding your voicemail PIN. The good news is, for individual users, your voicemail PIN is usually something you set up yourself, or it was assigned to you and can be easily retrieved or reset. Through the RingCentral online account web portal, this is by far the most straightforward method. Step 1. Log in. Open your web browser and navigate to the RingCentral login page. Enter your email address or phone number and your password to log into your online account. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a forgot password link right there. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, look for your personal settings. This is typically found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner, or by finding a Settings or User tab in the navigation menu. Step 3. Access phone and voicemail. Within your settings, you'll usually see a section dedicated to phone and voicemail, or similar. Click on this. Step 4. View voicemail PIN. Under the Voicemail tab, you should see an option to view voicemail PIN or change voicemail PIN. If you click View, it might prompt you to re-enter your RingCentral password for security before revealing the PIN. If you prefer, you can also change it to something new and easy to remember right here. Using the RingCentral desktop app. The desktop application often mirrors the functionality of the web portal. Step 1. Open and log in. Launch the RingCentral desktop app on your computer and log in with your credentials. Step 2. Go to Settings/Preferences. Look for the gear icon, Gear, or Settings or Preferences in the app's menu. Step 3. Find phone and voicemail. Similar to the web portal, navigate to the phone and voicemail or messages section. Step 4. Locate PIN options. You should find the option to view or change your voicemail PIN there. Again, you might need to re-authenticate with your RingCentral password. Through the RingCentral mobile app. For on-the-go access, the mobile app is incredibly convenient. Step 1. Launch and log in. Open the RingCentral app on your smartphone or tablet and log in. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines or a profile icon, to open the sidebar or main menu, then find Settings or My Account. Step 3. Navigate to phone/voicemail settings. Look for sections like Phone or Voicemail settings. Step 4. Retrieve/reset PIN. You'll typically find an option to view or change your voicemail PIN. Some versions of the app might only allow you to change it, not view the existing one, for security reasons. If that's the case, simply set a new one you'll remember. What if I've forgotten my voicemail PIN entirely? If you can't remember it and the above methods only allow you to change it, not view it, simply proceed to reset your voicemail PIN using any of the methods above: web portal, desktop app, or mobile app. You'll be prompted to create a new one, usually requiring a minimum of 4 to 6 digits, and often with restrictions on sequential or repeating numbers for security. Pick something memorable but not easily guessable. Finding your account security PIN. administrator/advanced users. This PIN is less frequently used by individual users and more by account administrators, or when contacting RingCentral support for account-specific inquiries. Through the RingCentral online account admin portal, if you are an administrator, your security PIN is usually accessible through the administrative functions of the RingCentral online portal. Step 1. Log in as administrator. Ensure you are logging in with an administrator account to the RingCentral online portal. Step 2. Go to admin portal/tools. Look for a section that designates you as an admin portal or admin tools. This is distinct from your personal user settings. Step 3. Locate account details. Within the admin section, search for account details, company info, or security settings. The exact phrasing can vary. Step 4. View security PIN. Your account security PIN should be listed there. Similar to the voicemail PIN, you might need to re-enter your RingCentral password to reveal it for security. Contact RingCentral support. If you are an administrator and cannot locate it, or if you are an individual user who needs to provide this PIN for a support inquiry but don't have access to the admin portal, then contacting RingCentral support is the next step. Be prepared to verify your identity. When you call support, they will ask you to verify your identity. This might involve providing your account number, billing address, the last few digits of the credit card on file, or other security questions. They will not simply give out the PIN without proper verification. Explain your need. Clearly explain why you need the security PIN. They can either provide it to you after verification or help you with the task you were trying to accomplish that required the PIN. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.